what's up? Sami here. So today in this video we are going to unbox this Redmi K50 Mercedes-Benz, or called the Champion version, or Mercedes-AMG Patrons Formula One Team Summer Edition. Alright, that's it. Alright, this is the Redmi K50 Champion version, the Mercedes-Benz version. Patrons AMG, alright. Okay. Ooh, that's another total different design. Right here we see the Redmi K50 Champion Mercedes AMG Patrons Formula One Team Summer Edition. Ooh, and the one we got is 12 gigs plus 512 gigs storage. I'm not sure if like this is more expensive or the Ultra one, but the Ultra one just feel very normal one, not like this Mercedes one. Okay, the Mercedes one and Redmi K50 Summer Edition. Now, why not Mercedes edition, right? We got a pin, obviously, and then the menu, also a phone case, just like any other normal Xiaomi phones, alright? Then we have, ooh, that's the phone. Wow, let me show you a little bit the design. Look, this one looks like really special. Okay, to make it, ooh, that's brand new. Wow. I think the camera specs the same as the K50 Ultra, right? 18 megapixel main camera, and here is, wow, you see, very smooth. First of all, second, got this kind of carbon finish, and here we have a strap. The strap, I'm not sure why the design with the strap, because it feels like rubber and feels I don't know if maybe it represents speed or something, I don't know. And also we have this red dot here. This all carbon fiber. Definitely that's for speed, right? Carbon fiber material is light, fast, agile, you name it. Okay, wow. All right, still let's check out the design first. So here we have the speaker, infrared buster, and the Dino's mic. Here is nothing. And down here, we have the SIM card slot, Type-C, and the speaker. I think the SIM card slot still doesn't support SD card expansion. It's just that two SIM cards. Yeah, dual SIM card, dual band, but doesn't support SD card expansion. All right, and that's it. And wow, and that's the screen. Let me just power it on. I think the screen specs is the same as the Redmi Ultra, Redmi 50 Ultra, right? So all right, let's just put it here, let it power on. And then we have the same 120 gigantic charger that's very fast, 120 watts. Well, I can even power my computer. That's a definitely thing. And also we have the Type-C cable, and that's it. So nothing very special. So I'll just handle this to the manager, and for the screen, this thing I think is the same. All right, that's, woo, you see the UI. They have different UI, right? Of course, you pay more, you get more. The special customized UI. Ooh, I will just show you a little bit of the UI, and that's it. For the specs of the Redmi K50 Summer Edition or the Champion Edition, I will just list on the screen, you can check it out. And tomorrow when you got more time, I'll find, more time to compare with other phones like Ultra or okay. Oh, long press, it's recording. So yeah, I will compare the camera with the 12S Ultra or the Redmi K50 Ultra, and that's it. All right, I just take a really few. Okay. Take a really few pictures to see. Oh, I'm looking tired. Yeah, that's right. But the camera seems really good. Really good. Can you hear at least? Ignore my facial expression. Good, good. Yeah. All right, that's it. It's the Xiaomi Mix Fold 2. What? Someone scratched my Xiaomi 12, Xiaomi Mix Fold 2. Someone scratched it, alright? And fuck you guys, this is a model. It's a fake model, right? Yeah. Ooh. You cannot even open it, right? Okay, you cannot even open it. Alright, I will do a very detailed one tomorrow. So no need to worry about that, alright? So yeah, that's for today.